So good luck.
All right, go up there.
All right, let's see how this goes.
Oh, and this might work too.
All right.
This. Yeah.
All right. This is solid. I don't think I've ever been in an attic before. What's this?
Keep going, keep going.
Oh, it's a teamwork sign. Nice. Ornament.
Meatball, you gotta get this light and go up there. Grab the light and go.
See up there.
Oh, we got some arrows open here.
Here, keep going.
On this episode of House
You're gonna
Hunters.
follow him up with the camera.
Oh, I see trophies.
A lot of running trophies that I see. Yeah, so I mean, from our point of view, one thing that I spotted that I enjoyed is this bowling ball right here, because not much of an avid bowler. Here, show the camera.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not much of an I'm not much of an avid bowler, but I do appreciate bowling when I see it. So there we go. And it even has Dennis's name on it. That's pretty high quality as well. And then as we can see here with this box, got a little box of trophies here. Seem to be a lot of running. Dennis must have been a crazy athlete back in the day.
Cross country, right, Dennis?
Yeah, cross country, track.
You gotta calm down.
You name it. And then we got the Italian sausage here. You know, shout out Milwaukee Brewers. Missed the playoffs, but that's all right. What's in this box? Pretty much just finding stuff as I go. Maybe not that box, but we got a really nice suitcase here. I'm kind of scared to open it, so we're not going to. And we must have Dennis's running shoes over here.
Let's show the bow and arrow. Got it.
Oh yeah, there's a bow and arrow. Yeah, we got some of Dennis's famous running shoes here. What?
Yeah, look at this.
Jeez, got
Kind
the
of see the little.
camo on it there.
Take this little covering off.
Well, you're gonna
so you
use.
can see that.
Well, you're gonna use it.
Up here, how?
Well, you're taking the covering off. I was just wondering.
Oh, just to show the design. Yeah, basic wood frame.
Cause I gotta get up there a little bit.
This attic is definitely roomy. I'm used to attics being super duper cramped with things because everyone just throws all their stuff up
Yeah,
here.
it's pretty open. Pretty open concept,
Here, I'll
if you
show
ask
you
me.
kinda.
What's that thing? Oh, just a pipe.
More trophies back here. Actually, let me bring a box of these out here.
More trophies.
There we go. Oh, these are super neat. Yeah, doing a little trophy showcase here.
What's down there?
Showing off his achievements, I guess.
What's down the pit?
What's down in the pit? Nothing.
Imagine Dennis just locks us in here. We're trapped.
Oh, this one's even cooler. Look at this. The UNCF walk run, second place. Get a look at that coloring there. Marble, rainbow up to the top. Yeah.
Pretty solid, if you ask me.
I wish I had trophies like this, dude. This is cool. All I got
Did you
were...
think you were gonna be up in the attic today?
No,
No.
to say the least.
How would you rate your first attic experience?
Pretty solid. I mean, it's pretty open. It's more open than I expected. So yeah, it's pretty spacious. Pretty chill spot.
I've never been up in like my home attic. I've been on like on the top part of my garage, but like never. Cause my brother's bedroom has a door to the attic, but I haven't bothered to go up there really.
Quick story time.
Well, there's not really much of a story. Ooh, I got another one. 1991 benefiting Cystic Fibrosis Foundation.
Jeez, that was 91 must have been a busy year.
It's a car. Is this a car race?
Yeah.
This was something. What a legendary day.
Ooh, we
April
got
20th, Ford
we
69.
have a 2012 UNCF walk run for education for ages 60 and up. So Dennis, definitely big in the community for helping out organizations, all sorts like that. Love to see it. Good job, Dennis.
Alright, that's all you got
That's all
for...
the Don't open that box.
Don't open that one.
Don't open that one.
Can you see outside?
No. You can't get out. You can't see out of it.
Full-time talent over here.
Holy cannoli.
Watch out.
There's a lot of just exposed insulation. We got a Mott's box in here.
I don't think it's fruit snacks.
I think it's photos.
Do we want to open it up and see?
It's IRS documents.
This might be photos, actually. Oh, it's financial stuff. Nothing too impressive.
I was right.
I like how I'm just looking through Dennis's stuff.
I love these documents. On people.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, put that away.
There's
That's,
tax records in there?
yeah.
They should probably shred those things, huh?
That'll be next week's video.
Remember last year when we were burning documents?
We went in the backyard and we had these grading kind of things, and we cleared away the snow and we burnt a whole pile of paper. It was just
Nicole's ritual.
unbelievable. We poured gasoline on it and
You're getting greedy. You're gonna fall through.
How long should we stay up in this attic?
Yeah, I don't think you should breathe in
All
there
right,
too
start
long.
going down one by one.
Yeah, let's start heading back
you know, all
down.
that
Alright, that's the attic
particles
tour,
and
guys.
stuff.
Yeah, we can start heading down.
Oh God, we're dying.
See, this
One by
insulation
one,
is
you gotta
okay,
spread
but
the weight
I don't
out.
know about
We're doing
that
good.
stuff.
We're fine.
I know. If you guys all go
Alright,
next
just
to the door,
don't
though.
touch or don't step on any insulation.
Wait, is this a skateboard?